Hey guys, Griff13 here and welcome to a new set of videos on the channel. As the intro shows, I am building a new model railroad. I'll be building a shelf-style, industrial switching layout, measuring 10 feet in length along the wall of my bedroom. The track plan here gives you an idea of what I'm looking to build. The L leg of the layout features 2-yard tracks next to the main line. On the upper left will be Tate Lyle, the primary industry that will receive inbound grain and corn syrup loads from railcars. After the crossover, the track to the right serves as a switching lead that belongs to the industry and is off the main line. So that's the track plan. Now on to the bench work, or shelf work. There's plenty of great videos on YouTube showing bench work, and my process is probably not one anyone would want to copy, so I'm just going to show off the completed work. That being said, if anyone has any questions or wants to see more, let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to get you an answer. So with that, I hope y'all will subscribe and follow along with the new layout build with me, and if you liked the video or even just the intro, feel free to drop a like as well. And if you're a fan of 1-to-1 scale trains, be sure to check out my other videos on my channel.